So you spin, when you spin pizza dough, it kind of flattens out. Yeah. Gets wider in the middle. And so Earth, throughout its life, even when it formed, it was spinning. And it got a little wider at the equator than it does at the poles. So it's not actually a sphere. It's oblate. And officially it's an oblate spheroid.
What are you, fucking stupid?
Challenges in life is knowing enough to think you're right, but not enough to know you're wrong.
Yeah. Well, that is a big problem with a lot of people that watch these YouTube videos.
That's
right?
what it is. They say, oh, this is right. Oh my gosh. But they don't know enough to know why it's wrong.
Well, this is what I want to talk to you about. What is it about people that there's this very compelling need to find something out that other people don't know, like the world is flat?
Well, that's a great question. The plan that NASA has is to build a rocket called SLS, which is a heavy lift rocket. It's something that is much bigger than what we have today, and it will be able to launch the Orion capsule with humans on board, as well as landers or other components to destinations beyond Earth orbit. Right now, we only can fly in Earth orbit. That's the farthest that we can go. And this new system that we're building is going to allow us to go beyond and hopefully take humans into the solar system to explore. So the moon, Mars, asteroids, there's a lot of destinations that we could go to, and we're building these building block components in order to allow us to do that eventually.
Some of your listeners are listening to this right now. All I would do is say, what is your best single bit of evidence for what you're claiming?
We only can fly in Earth orbit. That's the farthest that we can go. And we only can fly in Earth orbit. That's the farthest that we can go. And
that's a singular event, which you could say in one way or another. Like, it is possible that someone could fake a singular event. They can't fake whether or not the world's flat, right? Like, that, to me, is the scariest one. That there's so many people out there that believe the world is flat. Because you could literally see the curvature of the Earth from a plane. I mean, you can get to parts of you look at the images from the space station where they circle the moon. Or they circle the Earth, rather. Mm-hmm. I mean, there's many satellite images of the Earth in its entirety. And one of the things that the argument was how come every photograph of the Earth is a compilation of photographs? Well, because they're all taken from 300 miles up. The Earth is huge.
Yeah.
With all due respect, what the fuck are you talking about?
Here's way bigger than 300 miles.
Yeah, you have to take compilations.
Mosaic it. Yeah.
You have to. That's the only way to get images
except
of the
for the
Earth.
Apollo photo. The Apollo 17 coming back has the Earth. That's the famous one that has Africa and Antarctica in view. It's the full Earth.
What the fuck is this? Whose ass didn't I kiss?
Very few full Earths. It's very hard to get a full Earth single photo.
Of course.
And when we went to the moon missions, when they're coming back, think about it. To get full Earth means the sun is behind the astronauts on the way back to Earth, which means the side of the moon facing Earth is not lit.
What the fuck is this piece of shit? Atchison Dobbs Blair. What a goofy looking fuck he was.
Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in a Hollywood basement.